Hey guys, so you remember that thing? Oh, probably didn't tell you. I probably did. No, I didn't. Anyways, now I'm making another video. I got an email, I think it was like almost end of July or something, um, for this essential oil company that was this lady was doing a giveaway because I think she works there, so she was doing a giveaway for her subscribers, and I entered. You know, usually I don't win. Except when I was little, I won Nickelodeon stuff. Anyways, Saturday, as I was half asleep and checking my phone, because I do that sometimes, I got an email from the lady, and she said, "Congratulations, you won." And I'm like totally flipped out. I woke up, fixed my face and got ready, did that, got my iPad, my phone, and did all this. She gave me a login stuff. She put in my information. We had a talk on Facebook. She sent me a friend request and I add her. Thank God I did because I didn't know who this person is. I don't add random people to Facebook. But anyways, thankfully I did because that was her. And we can talk and she gave me a thing for a book and, more information and this and that. And I told her that surprised me and she tells me what things that you have that you don't. Like, I need like a lot of stock up. Like, I need lemon because I'm out of lemon, and certain stuff that I might want to restock. I don't have to go to Walmart and buy. And other stuff she might add in if she wanted to surprise me. But I'm like, dude, I put in that I wanted to try other essential oils and stuff because I want to get into other essential oils and try them out and stuff. But yeah, we had a conversation. Great person. She also invited me to a essential oil group on Facebook so I can, get some more, meet people and stuff like that. So I'm like, ooh, cool. So also Saturday she said that she would send the package Monday. And then all of a sudden she wrote me back on Facebook saying, "Hey, I have other things I need to schedule, other packages and so on." So she just mailed it. And so I got a package app thing that I usually use, but I didn't like the number because it was so long. So I'm like, fine, I'll find another one. So I did, and it said that I would get it on the 7th. So today, afternoon, I was on my iPad. I'm like, switched the side because I have some apps on the other side that I don't know how to use. And then it's like, ooh, I got a notification. Click on it, and it's like, it's shipping today. It's out delivery. And I'm like, ooh. But I was expecting the apps, not the postal sending me the package. So I'm like, I did some chores and stuff, and I'm like, ooh, let's go check the mail. Oops. Try not to do this. So I got the package. So let's open it. I smell lemon in here. Yep. And something else smells so good. I was not expecting this type of thing in the mail. Oh my god. It's like my birthday, but better. Okay, I'm going to take them out. And this is a different company. Oh, I got a thingy. Okay, I know that. You can make stuff. Oh, she gave me those. Oh, cool. Sorry. Oh, a kit. Lemon, lavender. Oh, cool, the ones I wanted. Is that all? Oh, she gave me that. She gave me one thing. Oh, freaking scent. Freaking scent, lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Wow, that's what she gave me, is a book and these things. And I thought she would give me like other essential oils. But that's okay. I could have said you could send me some of your collection. Okay. So oh, so backwards. So I got, this is the company. I wish this was sponsored. But anyways, this is the company right here. It's, I can't. But I like their stuff, but they're expensive a little bit. So I'm like, hey, I wouldn't mind trying your stuff. So I got this like lifestyle overview of essential oils and all that jazz, and a card. I'm not showing the back because it has information and whatnot. Okay, then I got this Green and Clean stuff, and I got more essential oil stuff. More essential oil stuff. Just papers and stuff. Because I'm trying to, oh, this that cat and dog thing. So I have a cat and dog, so I got, she asked me about other stuff. I'm like, I have a cat and dog, so this is great. And then, also got this, essentials, like for colds, burns, cuts, depression, you know, other things you can use with essential oils. And then I got this big, oh, this is a catalog. She gave me a catalog. I got a catalog. That is cool. So anyways, she gave me, I was not expecting, I was expecting a little bit more, but that's okay. She gave me lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Cause I was kind of really low, especially lemon, I ran out. And I do not have nails. Pardon me. Using my headphones. Yeah, I was expecting like some of her collections to try out some. Okay, that was random. Oh, it's so fancy. Oh my god. So it slides out and it comes in here. So cute. Oh my god, I love essential oils. Oh, these are puny one. These are like the sample, like the starter kit samples. Oh my god, they're so cute. So that's that. And I have lemon and peppermint, of course. So it's just these guys. And a little card to tell you what they do. And then I got this and these guys to make rollers. So because I have a cat and dog, I can put stuff in and you know, that kind of thing. So that's cool. I'm happy for that. Make sure that's closed because those were not closed and didn't look safe. Okay, and then next, I didn't know they make bubble wrap with sticky. What? That's awesome. And then I got frankincense because this one I was getting low. I think I still have a little bit, but I need another one. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm actually I'm really happy. That's not bad. I was expecting a little bit more situations, but yeah. So, anyways, I hope you guys like my first unboxing from a giveaway that I got. And thank you. What's her name? Teresa, if you're watching this, thank you for the giveaway and thank you for choosing me. I was not expecting that. I really love what I got and I very appreciate and very grateful. Whatever I'm trying to say there. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Sorry it's a bit too long because I was talking about how I got this started and stuff. But I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Bye.